So imagine I was convicted. What would have been said of me? Imagine I was sentenced to death.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about RC. My darling people, this one shocked me. When I see RC, they cry. Many of you now know RC. We get this foundation where they help people. We help that our sister we come they sick that time when you come see finally me. Many of you now know RC. So I see one video, one touch video when in do they cry for the video. Can they remember what if it happened to them before for a long time ago? And can they cry say, una know say that Nigeria where we did. Person if you pull life for your head for waiting, you don't know one, you don't know two. You go just go prison for nothing. You just go prison for nothing. And so that Nigeria, where me and you for come, that Nigeria, now so they just be right for time. They not go investigate. They not go say make they find that. They go just put it for prison. You go there spend 5 years. If you don't get one APO, and so you go take roti for there. You understand? So I feel our brother pain RC. I really feel a pain because when I see the video, when he do it, he cry bitterly. Say, now so if for just dey prison for just meme. Say that time where your guy in the work follow. Now so your guy put life for his head. As they put life for his head, they can't put in for prison. They can't still call police for him. They can't put in for prison. I just feel for him. He said when they can't dey prison, so from there now you can 4 years. This man just live for there. May you go bring proof of what he do. You know, they don't see proof up till today. If not, now so if for take day prison. As police can't wait, just gonna be like say, those one can't know, say, this thing where this man do to this guy, so now just injustice. He just purposely do this thing to this guy. So because of that one, as they gonna see, say 4 years now, the man not gonna come, and they can't release the RC by themselves. When I just watch the video, the thing just pay me for I say, oh, it's our brother. Very sorry. You understand? Because Nigeria, we meet with una for come. Una know the way they play for that place now. Una know the way they play. Somebody go just dey prison for there for no reason. Una know how many innocent people where they prison. Where be say what they accuse them for. They don't know one, they don't know two. They are innocent of the allegation, but nobody to voice for them. Nobody to help them. They go there, they will just rotty. They go just dey prison. I remember one of person when I know that time we go prison. When he come out, he come they talk many stories of innocent people where they inside there. Go reach pregnant women, all of them they there. Nobody to help them. So I'm just innocent. So I'm just normal to fighting. You understand? Normal to fighting because the person get money past you now. You use money to put it for them. You understand? Only abroad here now be say person not just keep it for one place just like that. No, they must investigate even though you did there. And if you still come out when you did innocent, they will pay you for damage. When you take dead there, after they find that, they'll still pay you put if you take better lawyer. But Nigeria is not like that. Who is going to pay you? Who is going to pay you for Nigeria? Nobody. Nobody. You go just dead there, you go suffer. You go just suffer for no reason. You understand me, my darling people? So the thing just really like when I just see the video where RC do, because RC is a person when I like, you understand? It really just pain me, say, oh, this is our brother. Nigeria, and so they be. Now so they just be. Injustice, and so it just be to them. You understand? Now their way. Now so their life just be. You understand? So now it comes and we be say if anything they happen like this, the thing go just really like I just going to read the reason. That is me not going to cry for that person. I go to cry for people where they there. We be say nobody to voice for them, nobody to fight for them. They just did there. As in, I remember one man where be say they always they do the help people where they prison. Because prison if they when you can see you weapon. So because of that, when he can't vow to the help people where they there. I remember that man when you go to interview them, say Wetin bring you? This one go talk to you. You go shock their lies. You go shock their lies because they don't know one, they don't know two. Innocent people, they go just go put them for prison for no reason. You go there, they cry. Nobody to help you. Who want help you? Who want voice for you? This life not balance, so you not so RC for just they so far. You go drop me for not even see RC where they do this, where they do foundation now. You understand? So that is why this life, this Nigeria police, the police station, I don't like the way they take the behave, the way they take they put people for prison, it's not just good for them at all. It's not good for them because the way people take they suffer for what they don't know one, no two, very, very bad. Oh. Truth have to be said, they're very, very bad. These people go just suffer for nothing. They go just suffer for nothing. You understand? Can you imagine you serve or God finish? You go put it for prison. This RC was crying when they talk this thing today, this story. He was crying. They go just go don't pay for one place for no reason. You can't suffer. No wonder when the truth say now this to the air people now ain't go they do. Because he don't really see something for life. He don't really see something not be small. You understand, medali people. So, my Ogbonge people, I will put the video more and see man. Very, very touching. In fact, now people where even they prison, I supposed to need our air parcel. Because if you see the way they keep them alone, God. You know, go able to make your enemy did there. Because if I dey see at that time where that man go dey show for YouTube, the thing go dey pay me. Person go just dey inside prison, no fit shake, nothing. Europe police Europe prison not be like that. Why Nigeria they not they ever improve for anything? Prison go just be like saying wow, my darling people, not where Musa go see forget not where person not go see. So that's why I go talk this video reach today. I know I made it too long. So anything you want to think about the video, where I receive do today, want to leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.